Wall Street's main indexes ended mostly higher on Friday, notching their seventh straight week of gains, breaking records along the way. The Dow added more than 0.1% to hit a record close for the third straight day. The S&P, while flat, notched its longest weekly winning streak in more than 6 years, and the Nasdaq, which added more than 0.3%, closed at its highest level in nearly 2 years. But comments Friday by New York Fed President John Williams, who said it was too soon for the central bank to be talking about rate cuts, dampened some of the optimism. His remarks came just 2 days after the Fed, in its policy statement, signaled lower borrowing costs in 2024, sparking a rally in stocks and bonds, pushing yields lower. Luke Stone is senior investment analyst at Winthrop Capital Management.
The 10-year Treasury fell nearly 45 basis points since Wednesday. And I almost think that Fed speak, to a certain degree, can be a policy mechanism. And this might have been a way for Governor Williams to help temper back some of the hope into bond investors. We're seeing rates almost at mid-spring levels, and it's an unprecedented whip in Treasury rates. So this could have just been a mechanism to help kind of put investors back in line.
Among individual movers, shares of Costco jumped 4.5% after the retailer topped Wall Street estimates for first quarter results due to demand for cheaper groceries. And an index of semiconductor chips had its biggest weekly gain since May, with Broadcom and Intel each gaining more than 2% and Nvidia up more than 1%.